Most important question of combination. Let us see the question. The number of parallelogram that can be formed from a set of four parallel lines intersecting another set of three parallel lines in. So for this type of question, simple trick is what? Here given two set of parallel line. One four set of parallel line and another three set of parallel line. And we are making what? Parallelogram. So parallelogram have four sides. So simple technique is what? That is MC2 multiply NC2. That means make a group of two line from the given four line and again make two line from the given four lines. So here first given four parallel lines, so 4C2, and second given three parallel lines, so 3C2. When we solve this number, 4 factorial, 2 factorial, 2 into 3 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 minus 2. So 3 minus 2, 1. So now 4 into 3, 2 will be cancelled, we get 2. Here 3 into 2, 2 will be cancelled, only 3. So this is 2 2 ja 4, so 2 3 ja 6, 3 ja 18. So our correct answer is 18. Let us see the question. Question is find 7C0 plus 7C1 plus 7C1 plus 7C2 up to 7C6 plus 7C7 equal to what? So for this type of question, technique is what? You know the trick, that is NC0, NC1, that is up to given NCN, then our formula is what? 2 to the power n. So here 7C0, 7C1 have given. So 7C0 to 7C1 all number are 2 times except 7C0 1 time and 7C7 1 time. So we can write here what? That is 2 multiply 7C0 plus 7C1 plus 7C2 up to 7C7. But here 7C0 only 1 times and 7C7 only 1 time. So we can subtract. So we will write 7C0 minus 7C7. So now we can write this is 2. So this is what? 7C0 to 7C7. So trick is what? 2 to the power 7. And this is what? Minus 7C0, that is NC0 is what? 1. And NCN is also 1. So this is minus 1 and minus 1. So we will get what? 2 to the power 1 into 2 7 2 8 minus 2. So our correct answer is 2 to the power 8 minus 2 is right answer. Let us see the question. Number of diagonals that can be drawn by joining the vertices of an octagon. So very important question of combination. You know octagon means what? That is the figure having the 8 side. Right? So octagon is a polygon having 8. Number of side is 8. So we are finding number of diagonals. So tricky formula is what? That is number of diagonals. So number of diagonals equal to NC2 minus N. When we will solve this number, we will get what? N square minus 3n by 2. So here n is given what? 8. Number of side. So this is 8 square 3 into 8 by 2. So 8 8 is 64 minus 24 upon 2. So this is 0, 6 minus 2, 4, 40 by 2. So this is 20. So our correct answer is what? 20 is our right answer. Let us see the question. If C0, C1, C2 up to Cn is given 2, 5, 6, then find 2 and C2. So for this type of question, simple technique is what? We know that is NC0 plus NC1 up to NCN equal to what? 2 to the power n. So here C0, C1, C2 to Cn. It is given that is 2 to the power n is given how much? 2, 5, 6. And we know 2, 5, 6 is what? When we change 2, 5, 6 in the power of 2. So 2 power 4 is 16 and 16 s square. So you know 2 power 4 is 16 and this is 16 s square. You will get 2 power 8. So here 2 and 2 8. So n will be what? 8. So this is n equal to 8. We have to find 2n C2. So 2 8 is 16. We need 16 C2. So you know the formula NCR, n factorial 16 factorial, r factorial 2 factorial. 16 minus 2 is what? 14 factorial. So here 16 multiply 15 into 14, stop, because in denominator this is 14 and this is 2 into 1 into what? 14. So this and this cancel, 2 8 is 16. So 15 into 8 is what? 120. So our correct answer is what? B option, 120. Let us see the question. Question is find 5C1, 5C2 plus up to 5C5. So for this type of question, we know the simple technique. Simple technique is what? That is NC0, NC1 up to NCn is what? That is 2 power n. But when we start from NC1, so NC1, NC2 up to NCn will be what? 2 power n, and this NC0 comes, right? So NC0 is 1. So 2 power n minus 1. So here it is given 5C1, 5C2 to 5C5. So our correct answer will be what? 2 power n, that is 5 minus 1. So you know 2 power 5 is what? 32 minus 1, that is 31. So our correct answer is B option, 31.